How to change name on Facebook without waiting 60 days. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can change name on Facebook without waiting for 60 days. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you open up the Facebook application over here and then you just make sure that you're signed into your account. The problem here is that you might have possibly changed your name. So you tap the three lines option, you tap the gear icon over here, and then you go to the option called Account Center. From Account Center, you simply go to Personal Details, or maybe you go ahead and select your profiles here. From profiles, you go ahead and select your Facebook account. And the problem here is that you might have just recently changed your name and it has not been 2 months, which means 60 days since you changed your name. So it will tell me that, can I really change my name? So it says, if you change the name, you can't change it again for 60 days. Now, if you have already changed the name and if it's not letting you to change it, you can just tap on the Learn More option over here. Then once you tap on Learn More, you're going to be able to be taken to the Facebook support page where you should see name on Facebook, confirming a name, types of ideas that they accept, and so on. So if it is really something that you might have to go ahead and then deal with it, you can see we may ask you to confirm. So tap this little confirm button here. Then after that, you have to simply go ahead and then basically enter your government ID, and Facebook will verify if that belongs to a real person, and then they will change your name in that way. This way you can change your Facebook name without waiting for 60 days. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.